The two most important things when you're filming a video. Hey, it's Matt Ferguson here with the Matt Ferguson Real Estate Group, and I want to give you my two most important things when you're filming the video. The first is what I just did. Create a hook at the beginning so that people have interest. What is the video going to be about? Create a hook about it. Then introduce yourself, then get into the information. So now we're into the information. That's the first thing. The second thing is motion in the video. If I create a video like this, where I'm not moving and I have a blank background, it's not interesting to the people. We want people to engage with our videos. We want people to, sometimes the sound is off. We want them to engage with the video. So get them to turn the sound on. How do you do that? With motion. Watch this. The two most important things that you're gonna wanna do to increase people to watch your video. Hey, it's Matt Ferguson here, and I wanna give you two important things to increase your video. See how I'm walking? See how I'm moving down the street? It gets people to engage in the video. People, they wanna know where you're going. They wanna see the surroundings. They wanna see the background. You know, you're walking here. You might go across the street. And people can see you go across the street. There's cars moving here and there. They can hear background noise. You know, now I'm crossing the street. Somebody might wonder like, hey, is this guy gonna get hit by a car? People will engage in the video because you do stuff like this. Now I'm still moving and things are still happening in the background. So people are more likely to pay attention to your videos when it's like this. You watch the engagement go up. As the engagement goes up, as people watch more of your videos, the Facebook algorithm will put it out to more people. So you will be guaranteed to get it in front of more eyeballs. And that's the name of the game. If you need anything else from me, or if I can help you sell more real estate, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.